I was employee number 1 for Zenni USA in November of 2020. Here in the Ohio manufacturing facility for Zenni, our mission is rush delivery and fast turn. We have state-of-the-art technology in all of our manufacturing processes. Plus, we've been able to build the team from, an employee of 1 to 100 and some folks in that very short period of time. When we first started, we went to all of the vendors, a couple of the trade shows, looked at all of their latest and greatest technology, quickly decided on taking the best out of each piece of the manufacturing process and putting them together to come up with what we believe to be the most technologically advanced lens manufacturing setup for the lab. The nice thing about Zenni, and the nice thing about our products, is even our lowest cost or value tier product is still manufactured with the same quality inspections, the same quality guidelines, the same specifications as the more expensive. So you're still gonna see just as well with the high end or the value tier.
Everybody here is so passionate about the quality and making sure everything goes okay. I've never seen that before. Everybody is dedicated to putting out their best work.
My favorite part is how Zenni takes care of our employees, the way that we look after the small details. We're very employee-centric. And then we do a lot of other, social programs for the local communities. We just did a free vision screening for a school here. We went in and we screened, I believe, 90 or just over 100 kids. And those are the type of outreach programs that we participate in that really makes Zenni different from the rest of the industry, in my opinion.
We get to be part of helping people see. So all the way from the little kids in kindergarten, getting to read their books, what they're so excited for, to the little old couple down the street, getting to read their newspaper with their coffee every morning. I think that's honestly pretty cool. I think it's the best thing. It's rewarding. And we all want to be able to see the world in front of us. So it's kind of cool to be at a place where everyone is on the same goal and the same mission to just kind of change the world, even from a small little town in Ohio.